In this video, I'm going to show you how to earn $1,000 in passive income for doing absolutely nothing. A beginner can get started with this method right away, and this is 100% free and available worldwide. So basically, wherever you are in the world, you can do this method for absolutely free. And as you can see right on the screen, you can see this website right here, slideshare.net, gets over 100 million views a month. So I'm going to show you how to monetize this traffic and make money with it for absolutely free. So the first website you want to come to do this, you want to go to digistore.com. okay, you want to create an account with them. It's absolutely free. And if you don't want to use Digistore, you can use clickbank.com. As you can see, I have an account on Clickbank and I also have an account on Digistore. Basically, you might want to go with Digistore because Clickbank doesn't really accept some countries. So, but also there are ways around getting an account on Clickbank, but I recommend you do Digistore because Digistore basically accepts almost everybody from any part of the world. So now to create a Digistore account is very simple. All you need to do is go to digistore24.com. So once you're on digistore24.com, you want to click on register now. So once you click that, you want to scroll down and you want to input your basic details, your username, your email address. You can see it's a straightforward registration, nothing complicated at all. You want to add in your name, your address, your phone number and your country, and boom, that's all. You click register. That's how simple it is. So to create a SlideShare account, you want to go to slideshare.net. Once you're on slideshare.net, you want to click on sign up. And then you can register with either your Facebook or your Google account. So you can see it's basically easy to create an account with slideshare.net and also Digistore. So once you are in your Digistore dashboard, you want to click on Marketplace. So once you click on Marketplace, then you want to promote this product. I recommend promoting this product because with just one sale, you've made over $100. And as you can see, it's a very, very good product. You can see it has 4 out of 5 stars, which means a lot of people are making money with this product right now. So basically, you want to click on this, your promotional link. So once you click on that, you can just copy that. So once you copy, then you want to go to another website called Plrplr.com. So once you're on Plrplr.com, you want to scroll down to the very bottom of the page, and then you want to come to this section where it says health. So you want to click on that. So once you click on that, it's going to show you a lot of articles relating to health, and I can tell you a lot of people are making thousands of dollars using these free articles. Okay, and as you can see, these articles also have ratings, so you can go with the one that has the highest ratings. So basically, you want to use any of these articles, and mind you, they are absolutely free to use. You can rewrite them if you want, but basically they are good to go. So what you want to do now is you want to copy this article. So once you copy that, so you want to go to your Microsoft Word or whatever software you use. So you want to paste in the article in there, and then you want to get the title of the article. So you want to paste it in here. So once you've done that, so you want to type in, click here to learn the new way to lose weight and attract opposite X. So once you've written that, you can just highlight it, and then you want to go to this insert section, and then you want to click on link. So once you click on link, so you want to go back and get your Digistore affiliate link, which is this one right here. So I'm going to copy that and go back to the Microsoft Word, and then I paste it in there. As you can see, it highlights the text as blue. So basically, once they click on this, they are going to be taken to the affiliate page, and once they purchase the product, you make money. It's that simple. So you want to copy this and post it also at the bottom of the page. So once you're done, so you just want to save it onto your PC or your mobile phone or whatever device you're using. So before we move on, I'm going to show you, if you are going with Clickbank, I'm going to show you the best product to promote on Clickbank. So once you are in your Clickbank account, you want to go to Marketplace. So once you are in the Marketplace, you want to come to this find product and type in acne. So you want to search for that. Okay, so when you do that, then you want to click on, you want to go for this first product, which has a gravity of 2.4. So the next thing you want to do, you want to also grab the link. So you click on promote. As you can see, this is my Clickbank username. So if I click on generate up links, this is the link to the product. So you can literally do this process for any product of your choice. As you can see, they have a lot of categories here that you can go for, many categories. The same goes for Digistore as well. As you can see, a lot of categories here that you can choose any products from. You don't have to use these exact ones. So once you've grabbed your affiliate link, you want to go to this Plrplr, and then you want to choose this acne right here. So basically you want to repeat the same process we did for the first one. As you can see, the articles has 4 out of 5 rating, which is extremely good for Plrplr article. So once you click on this, it's going to open up. So the same strategy that we used for the first article, you are going to copy this. You are going to copy the article and paste it in MS Word or any document software you are using. So instead of writing click here to learn new ways to lose weight and attract opposite X, you can just type in click here to learn how to get rid of acne forever. Something similar, something captivating that will make people want to click on that link. So once you have that done, you've saved it. The next thing now is we are going to move on to SlideShare to upload this article. So once you log into your account, you want to click on this upload. You want to locate where the document is saved on your device and upload it. So once you have that uploaded, you want to give the title, you want to give it a name and a little bit description. So if you click on this category, you can choose where the category that fits perfectly with the article. And the purpose of this is to help you rank faster on SlideShare. And as you can see down below here, it says you currently have this upload set to public, which means this will be indexed by search engine. This is why I told you can get a lot of traffic, because so for instance, if people search for anything related to acne, it means this article gets a chance of showing up on Google search or whatever search engine the person is using. So basically this is how you do the whole thing, and you can upload as many products as you want. And I can assure you, if you keep at it, if you keep putting in the work, you are going to get a lot of sales doing this simple method alone. However, my personal recommendation for making a lot of money online without having people to buy any product is CPA marketing. And if you want to learn more about CPA marketing, I'll leave a playlist in the description where you can learn a lot about CPA marketing. You don't need to sell any product. All the person needs to do is fill in their email, download an app, and boom, you make money. It's that simple. You get paid to your PayPal or your Payoneer account. You can even get paid via Bitcoin on some CPA networks. So if you want to learn everything about CPA and how I use it to make money every single day, you can click the first link in the description and learn everything you need to know. And having said that, this is where I'm going to end this video. If you find any value, I appreciate if you drop a like on the video. If you have any question at all, feel free to leave them in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace and love.